guys, hi, I'm back. So I am currently cleaning up my makeup room. I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the things that I've been doing. If you don't know who I am, my name is Marika and I am a beauty influencer here on YouTube and of course Instagram. I will link my Instagram and all my other handles below. Thank you so much for joining me. Please definitely subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also hit that bell notification so that you know when your girl uploads next. So like I said, today I'm actually cleaning up my makeup room, and this is kind of what I have so far. I had just rearranged all of the stuff at the bottom here. I went out to the store because I needed to get something for the background. So I went to Marshall's and I ended up getting this plant and also this this picture, and then I got another one. I got this picture as well. So I'm gonna probably set this here if it'll sit straight up. Yep, just like that. So just something kind of cute so that when I'm actually doing my videos, it doesn't just look like, you know, blur, like blah, you know? So yeah, so this is kind of gonna be my setup. This is what I'm gonna do once I take that stuff off of there. Yeah, this'll be my look. So here I'm going to be putting up the nail polish holders so that it will hold my nail polish. Alright guys, so here is my basically complete room. There's still some changes that I need to, there's definitely still some changes that I need to do, but for the most part, here's what I got. This is going to be my, my background, and then of course I'll have my lighting here. I'm thinking about getting another ring light. I did put my camera equipment there. Alright, so I put my camera equipment here, like my lens, battery charger, mic, and some charging equipment, as well as my port for my laptop, and then my additional camera. This is just like my little clutter bin right now. I put all of my eyeshadows in this bin, my lashes, as well as my nails, my fake nails, and any type of sample products are in this one. This drawer, I ended up putting all of my storage, like my my makeup bags, in this. I'm gonna get another one of these. I have one, I just need to put it in here because of this stuff that's in this. I'm gonna take these scarves and place those in there, as well as like my combs and brushes and things like that. This is just another area that I've had stuff in. So like I have my palettes. These are some things that I usually use, like some more brushes. I do have additional brushes right here, as well as all of my foundations here, my Body Glow, my lipsticks and lip glosses, my setting powders, my bronzers and highlights palettes, any type of facial mist or setting sprays are there. My lip liners and some sponges are in the back. This is where I did all of my face products here. So I have my face wash and toners. I have more face wash there, and creams, and then that's my micellar water and my spray bottle because I always use those. And then this one I did hair, so I have my shampoo here, and conditioner is gonna go in the back. I just haven't put that there yet. And then I have my grease, hair conditioners, oils, some of Kamora's stuff, any type of gel or creams I put down there, as well as serums. My these little things right here, these boxes with the white top, the storage containers, those are my wigs and hair products like tracks and like braiding hair, all that stuff in my camera bag. And then I have another one over here that I put stuff in. Oh, I didn't do this side. So I have all of my my eyebrow pencils, and here's my mascara, my these are eyeliners here. This is not, but that's eyeliners there. And then any additional camera equipment down here that I have is there. So for the most part, that is it. Like I said, there's my light. I did go ahead and put up a few pictures, like there's me and my best friend. I put up those pictures there. I have some nail polish here that I need to get more of because it's looking a little bare, but that's where all of that is going to go up on the wall. And then of course my backdrop here, of course with the other things, like I have my jewelry box here, my pictures, plants and stuff that I have there to kind of give me a nice little backdrop.